Good morning. Today I will explain about the locators in the playwright. So if you go through the playwright.dev.docs locator, so in the URL as I was highlighted, so you'll get many locator. So around see get page dot get by role, page dot get by text, page dot get by label, page dot get by placeholder, page dot get by all text, page dot get by title, page dot get by test ID. So these many locators are available in the playwright. So I will show you some of the locator here. So like how we can use those locators into our project. Already I was written the program. I will show you like even I will inspect the element and I will show you like which one I took, whether locator or which one I took. So this is my code. So I was navigating to the Rahul Shakti Academy practice page. So this is the page I was uh, automating. Okay, so I will inspect the window. So first is the placeholder. So I will show you how the placeholder will be working. This is the placeholder. If you inspect this element, you will get a placeholder attribute. See, this is the placeholder attribute. So directly the placeholder attribute, it will be pointing to this placeholder attribute, and it will type our text. So what it will type, it will type ind. So I will mention as a India ind. Others I will comment, I will show you one by one. Now I'll run my code. See, now it was printed. We can use the placeholder locator and we can do the automate. Now I will show you get by role. Now what I did here. So actually I will show you both the things, get by role and get by label. Both the things I will show you. One is radio and the checkbox. So what I am doing in my code, just I am validating is visible. It should be visible. So I was added to the one is the label and get by role. Get by role, what you need to get by role, see these many options are available, whether alert dialog application. We have a good documentations here, so we can go through. Please go through it, so you'll get to know if you didn't like how to use the get by role. So these many roles will be accepting this locator. So then it will be having name is the compulsory. If you've seen the code here, see name, everywhere they have used the name when I mouse over it. This is how we can use the data. So now same thing, I'm using the get by role. Get by role is checkbox. See, these are all the checkboxes, right? So we called as a checkboxes. Type equal to checkbox. So what I am doing, so I'm checking the whether checkboxes are visible or not. Name equal to checkbox option one. See, checkbox option one I was passing as a name. So it should be visible when my page is loaded. Then the same thing I was doing on the get by label. So if you have a label attribute, directly you can use the label attribute. Here also having the good documentation, see label. So you can use the password. So page dot get by label password they have used. Like this you can use the, or else even area dot label also it will be fine if it's the having. Or else it just only the label, within the label locator if you have password, directly you can pass the password. In my case, get by label radio 2. So I was doing radio 2 label. This is the label. I'm finding the label for the radio 2, whether visible or not. So I passed the is visible. Now if I when I executing, it should pause, checkbox should be visible, and the radio 2 also is visible. Now I'll run my test cases and I will show you. Like this we can use the get by role and get by label. My test case should be passed because both are visible. See, get passed. Now I will show you get by text. Okay, so get by text is nothing but I was just clicking opening the one new window, get by text. See, this is the text, right? This is the anchor tag. So in the anchor tag, they given the name as a open tab. Same thing I was passing here, home open tab, get by text. Now it should click on the open tab button and it will be open the new tab one, and it will close my test cases. India, now it will click on open tab. Okay, I will give for some wait so that it will be observe the whether clicked or not, so that you can observe. I put it as a some 5000 millisecond. See, now it has opened the new tab. It was loading. Like this, we can do the get by text as well. Now I will show you another locator, get by alt text. I will comment all this. I will use only these two lines. I will show you just what it will happen. Get by alt text. Okay, so if we go through the another green card, okay, here broccoli is there. You can observe. I'm just mouse hovering on broccoli. See alt. So if you have a alt attribute, directly you can, you know, call those attribute. Broccoli 1 kg. Come to my test cases. See, I am passing the same. Get by alt text. Okay, so I am clicking on that. What it will happen on click? No, although nothing it will happen. Just you will see one page. Same thing like see, it was like a grayed out. In my same thing, it will be happening on my test case as well, as it was don't have any operation. Just I was clicking just for the purpose of showing. I was doing the same thing. Now it should grade out in the same automation also. When I click it on broccoli. Oh, sorry, I am not saved the test case. See, now it was grayed out as I shown in earlier. This is how the alt text method will be working. So you can use this kind of type of locator. So in your project, wherever it was comes, like if you have a this many locators are available, you can use whichever it was easy for you, or else you can go through it. One more thing like a await page dot locator. So this locator you can use export or CSS or anything it will be taking. So it was same thing like a normal locator. It will be you can use the click operation, or even you can do it import or anything you can do it here. Okay, I will do it on the. I will just comment this one page teams. I will show you on the, and here only I will show you. I will run all the things. Before open tab. Alright. Page dot locator. I will select the radio button 3. Input value equal to radio. Guys, I am manually rating the locators. So if you don't know, like if you have another one, you know, so plugins also available like a crop path and CSS selector. I will show you like how it will work. in the same way. Sorry, this is the value. See, now it was pointing into the radio button. As you can see, same thing. I was instead of ProPath on CSS selector, I will use the CSS selector hub. If you go through it, this is the export, same CSS selector. See, value equal to radio. If it's a CSS selector, if I want to export, I can go with export as well. I will show you export. Just I will copy it, same thing. So the difference between export and CSS selector in for this particular worker, just at the red symbol it was missed, and the double slash it becoming here front of the attribute. Dot click, and we can pass force equal to true. If it's not clicking, it was not a mandatory, just I was passing as a true, so that it will forcefully it will click on. Now I'll run my test cases. See, radio 3 it was clicked, I can observe. Wait a minute, sorry guys. See, radio 3 it was clicked. This is how even you can use the locators. Thanks guys for watching.